AI Money, Monday, March 23rd, 2026. Hey there, it's Monday morning, and I've got something that's going to blow your mind. Right now, in March 2026, there's a skill shortage that's actually creating immediate income opportunities for people like you. Companies are desperately hiring what they're calling AI trust layers, people who can spot when AI gets things wrong. And here's the kicker. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need common sense and the willingness to double-check things. We're talking anywhere from $1,600 to $3,500 a month in extra income, some people doing this part-time. And Linda, I'm talking directly to you because I know you're tired. You're 58 years old, you've been doing 12-hour shifts as a nurse, your feet hurt, and inflation keeps eating away at your paycheck. This could be the answer you've been looking for. Here's exactly what's happening right now. Companies are using AI to do routine work, writing reports, analyzing data, creating documents. But they've realized AI hallucinates. It confidently makes things up. So they need regular people, smart everyday people, to review that AI work, catch the errors, and flag what needs a specialist's attention. That's it. That's the job. A company like a marketing firm might have AI draft 10 client reports. Instead of their team spending all day reviewing them, they hire someone like you to spend 2 to 3 hours checking those reports. You look for inconsistencies. You verify facts. You ask common-sense questions like, does this number actually make sense? They pay you $75 to $120 per review. Do 5 reviews a week and you're looking at $1,800 to $2,400 extra every month. But here's where it gets really good. You don't have to pick just one company. There are platforms right now, Verify.ai, TrustCheck, and Safe AI, that match people like you with multiple companies needing this exact service. You can set your own hours. You work when you want. 3 hours Monday morning before your shift? Perfect. Saturday afternoon? Even better. Now this is where it surprised everyone. Your nursing background actually gives you an unfair advantage. You understand medical language. You catch errors that someone without your knowledge would miss. So some companies specifically want nurses, teachers, accountants, people with real expertise doing this verification work. You're not using your expertise to do the job. You're using it to catch when AI gets it wrong. The barrier to entry is basically nothing. You need a computer, internet, and about 1 hour to complete their screening process. No certification required. No waiting tables. No sacrificing your nursing job while you build something new. You literally start making money within 14 days. With everything costing more right now, this is real money that goes straight into your pocket, not a side hustle that promises riches. Actual steady income from companies that need you right now today in March 2026. So Linda and everyone watching, here's my question for you. What if you could add $2,000 a month to your income without leaving your nursing job? Wouldn't that change how you're feeling about the next 5 years? Come back here every Monday because I'm finding the real AI money opportunities that actually work for real people. And hit subscribe so you don't miss the one that's going to change your life.